Hello again, or hello for the first time. Today we are in the village of Liverpool, New York, down at Onondaga Lake Park. Today we're here because they're continuing the Irish festivities in Syracuse for St. Patrick's Day. Irish road bowling, and we are here to see what it's all about and check it out. So let's go. It's actually down in the Willow Bay section, which is way north, so we have a little bit of a walk ahead of us, but that's where all the teams are starting, and it should be an exciting time. Oh, it's way down there. Oh, it finally stopped. So we're starting to see some of the first teams that started. There's one behind us over there, and just kind of got a glimpse of what they were rolling. They're rolling like a little ball. It's about, you know, this big or so.
It sounded rubbery.
Yeah.
Didn't it?
So I guess they're just rolling it as far as they can down the road.
And then catching
with one
up to
hurl. Yeah, and then catching up, and whoever gets it in the least amount of rolls to the finish line is the winner.
Yeah, I thought that they had to knock over pins or something.
No, just distance, I guess.
Yeah.
Like golf, kind of.
I mean, there are
no
some
holes.
curves, so that would be hard.
Because these guys. Oh. So you rolled it pretty far. And there's another team heading off. I'm not sure if it's like, if they have these marked off, kind of like this is where you start.
Yeah, maybe.
It seems like they are all starting at that. We've seen 3 teams go past, and they've all kind of walked to this one point here. So I wonder.
Yeah, because these.
Oh no, wait! They just picked up their ball.
Oh, did they?
Yeah,
They
so
were chasing the ball?
Yeah, they were chasing the ball. They're gonna. Yep. There's quite a few teams down this way. Looks like a fun time.
It was sold out.
Everyone's dressed up. That's pretty great. And yeah, some dancing going on down there. Terminology that we need to know while we're here. The 28-ounce small cannonball is called the bowl, or a bullet. The butt is the throwing mark on the road. To step over the mark before releasing the bowl is to break butt. And then also there's a kidder paw, left-handed thrower, and a stylish bowler. A bowler with a smooth, well-coordinated delivery. Oh, way down there. Way past that bench.
Oh my god.
Wow. If you haven't been to Onondaga Lake Park, there's a main road. This is the one that the trams take in the summer. And then there's a trail, and that's what they're playing on. There's the trail, so all the walkers are on this side. And it goes all the way down to the Salt Museum. That's where we started. And there's not really a spot to watch from all the way down. But if you have someone who wants to come along with your little team, it looks like they can, because there are a few teams that are like more than 4, so I think they have 4 and then some more friends with them, which is cool. Yeah. And so we're actually going to go in this little turnoff for a second, and you can actually watch from in here. And you said it was sold out today?
Yeah.
Wow.
Completely sold up. Sold up. Completely sold out.
They're sold out. They're sold up. And yeah, so they're starting teams all the way from 10 a.m. to 1:30 p.m. And then after that, all the teams can get together. There's a buffet or something at Limp Lizard for all these teams. So that's really awesome. How much was it this year to? $140 for a team of 4. So if you were gonna go eat the buffet, I mean, that's not bad for. Yeah, that's a good deal.
Some fun entertainment. When I thought it was just registration for this, I was like, that seems a little steep.
Yeah.
But plus buffet, plus your t-shirt,
So I think what we're seeing here is it's like mini golf. You know, you have the teams that are like throwing further and they're behind teams that are not doing as well, so it's kind of bottlenecking a little bit. But there are spaces in between teams and everyone's being really patient, especially since you can bring, I guess, a 6-pack of beer per person. Nice one.
The Irish Viking is absolutely my favorite.
Yeah, that's wonderful. These guys are a riot. Oh.
Hey, that's really good.
Some people who have Wegmans bags, these guys have Wegmans bags with their beer in it, and there's someone further on. I couldn't figure out why they were carrying luggage, but they have their carry-on obviously full of, yeah.
It's a great idea.
Yeah, really. And it's already cold out. It's not like you need it cooler.
Yeah, true story.
Yeah. Just past the bench.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, that's a good one.
She threw it right to her friends. That's fantastic.
Yeah, a little bit past almost. Nice place to play a morning sport with your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it seems like what we had at the beginning there, the people who started first, those are the serious people. There was very little music, very little. Then we had some people who were into the music, and then some people who had some beers and some flasks. And then over here, seems like it's just the people who want to dress up. Some kids here,
Yeah, just small.
like little family, just casual. And we've gone the 2 miles and we're finally at the start. So we're gonna go check that out. Yeah, so there's the starting line. And then I think this team, they're gonna do their second roll. Yeah. Well, that curve's gotta be a tough way to start. So in case you want to know where we are, this is where the Lights on the Lake is. It kind of ends over here. That's the Beauty and the Beast castle. Still has some lights on a lot of these trees just because, you know, you can't take them down in half the winter through the area. But then also over here is the registration, and they're playing some Irish folk music and Irish rock. And down there's like a flag down there near the garbage can.
Is that the butt?
I think it's the butt. Insert butt joke here.
If I don't say one butt joke in this video, I'll probably just die.
There's some more people coming to play, obviously. Gosh, I hope. Because,
They could just be really stylish. Did you see their holster belts?
holster belts.
I want to make a holster belt. If we do this, can we make holster belts? They had koozies that they all stuck together. They had beers in them.
That's so great. Probably the last thing they take down for Lights on the Lake. It's like in water right now, in ice. That's crazy. There's some clouds up here, but yeah, it's a Pegasus with a pumpkin chariot of sorts. There's some flowers over here, and some of the cars are parked down here, and they actually recommended that you bring 2 cars unless you want to walk down and play the game 2 miles and then walk back 2 miles. But we only brought 1 car to do this because we're not, so we're gonna walk back.
It's only 2 miles. It's not too bad.
Great, everyone's starting over there. They're getting ready at the line here. This one team. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, nice form. Very nice form.
What's the term for that? Something bowler. Classy bowler.
Stylish.
Stylish bowler.
So we're gonna head back and watch some more as we go through. Everyone's having so much fun out here. That person was just dancing. I think they're gonna roll something here. Someone's gonna roll something. Oh, there he goes.
What if you throw it really, really hard and it goes in Onondaga Lake? Do you just not have your cannonball anymore?
I guess you're disqualified if it goes in the lake. I just rolled. I think I missed it. That was a good one. Getting ready here. Oh, no, I think it's better than he thought.
He did great.
Yeah. Whoa, that's way down there. That's by that bench.
Nice.
Yeah, that was nice. Yeah. Yeah, Syracuse in the background over there. Good view. These guys are getting ready to roll again. It's good form. Oh, a little short, but that's good. There's a curve on this road, so it's difficult right here. A whole bunch of teams down that way too.
Maybe they limit the teams to 4 so that everybody gets a chance to roll, because some of these people are rolling really far.
You're gonna go too again. Oh, way down. Oh, behind the trees. Wow. Oh, there it is, way on the other side. Wow, that's a good one. Considering that it's curved there, that's like quite the toss. Oh, this team's gonna go. Oh, way down here. They're gonna go here.
Good job, Tom. It could be a headshot.
Yeah, wow. Wow, that's a wow. Wow. That's some good form. We've almost walked 4 miles. There's the other end, the finish. The group of people down there, it looks like. I think that's the yacht club there, and just past it you can see across the lake the old money towers, AXA financial buildings, and then the dome. It's right next to it. It's right in the middle of the screen there. Some people traveling someplace. There's like a little gap here. There's some more groups down that way, but everyone's finished out here. That's the end where the hay is. Some bales of hay marking the end. It's a 2-mile trek, basically, for anyone who wants to play. I think that's a good deal. Maybe we'll think about doing it next year.
Yeah, that'd be cool. We have to make 2 friends before then.
So it's cool watching everyone have so much fun out there. It's kind of a unique activity, and the shoreline trail there is like the perfect spot for it. It was fun watching everyone, wasn't it?
Yeah, it was awesome. I don't know, did you get me in the background checking all my move rings?
Yeah, we were walking for 2 hours.
Yeah, we've just been doing this filming for 2 hours. We went 4.11 miles.
So even though we weren't out there playing it, I think we had as good of a workout as anyone.
My watch is very excited for us for this.
So thanks for walking around with us down here at Onondaga Lake Park. We should look into finding 2 friends and doing it next.
It looks really awesome.
Yeah.
I don't know. Now that I know that, because the price point was I was like, oh, I'm not spending 140 bucks to
kinda
have the ball.
steep.
But this is like kind of cool. This is more my style. Really low key and relaxed. And obviously we can walk it because we just did twice.
Yeah, twice. If you know anything about this activity, leave some comments down below so we can learn more and everyone who watches can learn more.
Yeah, like
And
are there flags throughout the route? Is there a recurring butt? Is the butt every place your ball lands? Which sounds not okay, but
just using the terminology here. I mean, come on, guys. So thanks for joining us out at the park, and we'll see you down the road next time on the next road trip. Bye. Some people are cross-country skiing through here. Winter activities this year? Doesn't seem like we had enough snow.